Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this video, I want to explain the last project from Morpho phonology. So check it out. My name is Dimas Galih P and I'm from class 33 5A 07, and this is my name or SID. Part 1. Stress preserving suffixes and masculine rhymes. Stress preserving suffixes can explain, also called neutral suffix, is a word ending that does not change the stress pattern of the root word. When you add one of suffixes, the high level was stressed in original word remains stressed in new word. Common stress preserving suffixes. This is the most common neutral suffixes organized by part of speech. Number 1. Non-suffixes. This is from suffix h on the last word. We can see pack become package, bond become bondage, percentage, passage, storage. And this is on last word. Will become wielding, match become matching, refer become referring, rebel become rebelling, stage become staging. Verb suffix. On verb suffix, same like with non-suffix have in last onward. So verb suffix and on last word, soft become soften, brighten, darken, harden, weak become weaken. And now with ing, play become playing, do become doing, go going, work working, read reading. Now adjective suffixes. In this adjective, we use full and y or ye for last word. So the example: care become careful, power become powerful, joyful, peace become peaceful, wonderful. And for dirt become dirty, rainy like the outside now, rainy day. Luck become lucky, sleepy, and funny. Masculine rhymes. Masculine rhymes, also called single rhyme, is the most common type of rhyme in English poetry. It occurs when the rhyme falls on the final stressed syllable of a line. The works from masculine rhyme. For a rhyme to be a masculine, the emphasis, stress, must be on the very last bit of the word. So this is monosyllabic words. Since there is only one syllable, the stress is naturally on that syllable, like purists from of masculine rhyme. For example, cat or sad, light or bright, hat or bat, rock or lock, skip or trip. On this example, the last word is the syllable, so just one syllable, like monosyllabic words. Explain. Polysyllabic words, the word has multiple syllables, but the heavy emphasis falls on the last ones. The terms from Greek poly, many, and syllable. This term is used to describe longer, more complex words, 3 or more. As long as the stress falls on the very last syllables, the listener has to navigate a long word before hitting that hard, like final punch. Example. Over, come. On this, listener will make voice overcome. Come is more punch. Now next, defend. The defend line is fend for the punch, like defend. Fend on word is longer, like describe longer. Next, attack. The final punch is tag. Attack, like from the commander or command. Next, destroy. Destroy is like punch for this word. It's like warning, attention, like something like that. Next is agree, like I'm agree on that vowel is more longer. Agree, like long hitting. Example action to hear word with masculine rhyme. Hear it where the word have punch on last. For the simple, like tree or tree. Me, 6. X is a punch, or can you repeat it on yourself? See that? Something like that. And pen. Mix have punch syllable but just put on mid of word. Complex the punch of at early word. If the rhyme consists just one syllable, sounds blow or flow, it's always masculine. Impact masculine rhymes is to sense of finality and certainly. Facing line slow, a poem, don't or bring a line to hard stop. That is masculine rhyme because the sound is punchy and emphasizes it easier for the ear to catch and remember. This is for standard in pop music or like hear something like music or whenever it is else. Part 2 Case Study. Number 1 A. Analysis the case study. The title A Busy Morning at Riverside Learning Center. And I'm gonna read just the bold word. Okay. So first gonna, second kinda, third axe, and fourth animal. And next wanna, and pasgeti. Student tasks. 1. Analyze the following story and identify the linguistic elements listed below. For informal construction is gonna, a construction of going to, and wanna, a construction of went to. And metathesis, axe or axe, and spaghetti is a child language. Epenthesis, film, and animal is phonetic habits. Elision, grandma, rapid sounds. Sorry, I forgot for both on that word. So the reduction is kind of, relaxed pronoun. Now three example of assimilation. I'm going to. Wanna play, want to play. Grandma, like grandma. Three example of metathesis. Ask, film, spaghetti. For example of epithesis, kind of, animal, film, or shouting. This shouting I can explain about the wanna play is like shouting epithesis example. For number 2 is explain why each example fits the category. For assimilation, the word in rapid or casual speech, also the articulation. Like I'm gonna, wanna play, want to play, grandma. For metathesis, the word reverse or switching, like film, not film. Spaghetti. For epithesis is addition of a sound to a word, like, wait a minute, kinda is kind of, but kinda with a for that word. Sound, an addition of sound on that word. Kinda, kind of. For number 2 case study is read the following 20 items aloud using correct IPA pronunciation. First is comfortable. Number 2 is probable. Number 3, accommodate. Number 4, massive. Number 5, governor. Number 6, texture. Texta, something like that. And number 7, athlete. Number 8, experience. Number 9, gladiator. Number 10, happening. Sorry for my voice. Number 11, generation. Number 12, moderate. Number 13, surface. Number 14, intensity. Number 15, category. Number 16, integrate. Number 17, department. Number 18, gratitude. Number 19, ethical. Number 20, spontaneous. Number 3 study case. The title, language class on Friday afternoon. And this story I same like number 1 before. Okay, now the word is hopeful, careless, darkness, education, musician, and geology. And geology, I don't build and okay, just geology. The next story is the word democratic, economic, and photographic. For the question is student tax, review the bolded words, conduct an analysis, and decide which linguistic element is represented. Once identify, explain your reasoning. For the word with bold, hopeful, careless, darkness, education, musician, geology, democratic, economic, photographic is represent 3 major linguistic elements like part of speech, derivational affixes, suffixes, and word class. For the question is 3 examples of stress preserving suffixes. For my answer is hopeful. Hope is base and full is suffix. Careless, care is base word and less is suffix. And musician, music is base word and ian is suffix. Now 3 examples of stress attracting suffixes. The suffix ik The example is democratic. Ion is education. For the bold word, IT is, sorry, I don't get example. So next question is 4 examples of stress shifting suffixes. The suffix "ic", the example is economic, IT more, okay, and ion and IV didn't have example, but ion is musician. That's the end of the case study.